Good morning, student. So today we will see the topic that is selection criteria of the transducer. मतलब what parameter we need to consider while selecting the transducer. मतलब if you are designing, if any one of application and where you require a transducer, so which parameter you need to see for selection of that particular transducer that we are going to see. So the first parameter is that operating principle. Okay. So what is the operating principle of that? Sensitivity, operating range, accuracy, errors, environmental compatibility, then insensitive to unwanted signal and the stability. So these are the 8 parameters you need to consider when you are selecting the transducer, and we will see one by one what is the meaning of this every parameter. Okay, so the first is what your the accuracy. So what is accuracy? So the degree of closeness of the measured value to the standard value, it is called as the accuracy. Okay, मतलब जो standard value है, जो उसकी जो स्टैंडर्ड वैल्यू है, हमारा ट्रांसड्यूसर कितना क्लोजनेस उसके जाता है, उसको बोलते हैं एक्यूरेसी ऑफ दैट transducer. Okay, the ability of an instrument to measure the accurate value is known as the accuracy, right? What about precision? So many students are confusing accuracy and precision. Okay, so the precision is what? The closeness of two or more measurement to each other is known as the precision of the substance. मतलब accuracy is degree of closeness of measured value to the standard value. And what about precision? Precision is the closeness of two or more measurement. Very important line. Two or more measurement to each other. It is called as a precision. Okay. What about sensitivity? What about sensitivity? So sensitivity it describes the smallest absolute amount of change that can be detected by the measurement. तो भी sensitivity. For example, मेरे पास temperature sensor है. तो थोड़ा भी टेम्परेचर इधर-उधर हो गया, तभी मेरे जो टेम्परेचर सेंसर है, ट्रांसड्यूसर है, तो उसने वो स टेम्परेचर सेंस करना चाहिए कि कितना चेंज हुआ. So it should be a sensitive. It describes the smallest absolute amount of change that can be detected by the measurement. It is called as sensitivity. So next is what? The stability. Yes. So stability is what? It deals with the degree to which a transducer characteristic remains constant over time. मतलब जो कुछ भी ट्रांसड्यूसर हमने सेलेक्ट किया है, उसकी जो स्टेबिलिटी है वो कांस्टेंट चाहिए. मतलब मैंने अभी अगर रीडिंग ले लिया, तो अगर 1 महीने के बाद अगर रीडिंग लिया, तो जो कुछ भी रीडिंग आ रहा है उसमें चेंजेस नहीं चाहिए. इट शुड बी स्टेबल, राइट? What is the operating principle? When you are selecting the transducer, you should know what is the operating principle of this. The transducer are many times selected based on the operating principle used by them. The operating principle used may be resistive, inductive, capacitive, to electric, piezoelectric, etc. Okay. Next is what? The operating range. Now, what is operating range? The transducer should maintain the range requirement and have a good resolution over its indirect. मतलब मैं अगर टेम्परेचर मेजर कर रहा हूँ तो उसकी रेंज क्या है? यस और नो? मैं अभी अगर टेम्परेचर सेंसर मेरे अ, ऐसे एप्लीकेशन के लिए यूज़ कर रहा हूँ जिसका -डिग्री से भी चालू होना चाहिए. इंडस्ट्री में यूज़ कर रहा हूँ तो उसका 300 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक भी मेजर करना चाहिए. सो यू शुड नो द ऑपरेटिंग रेंज, एंड डिपेंडिंग ऑन द ऑपरेटिंग रेंज यू कैन सिलेक्ट द ट्रांसड्यूसर, राइट? Now, what is the environmental compatibility? Now, it should assure that the transducer selected to work under specific environment condition and maintain its इनपुट आउटपुट रिलेशनशिप. मतलब एनवायरमेंट का इफेक्ट उस पे होना नहीं चाहिए. Insensitivity to the unwanted signal. The transducer should minimally sensitive to the unwanted signal and highly sensitive to the desired signal. मतलब जो भी unwanted signal है उसका असर ये हमारे रीडिंग पे नहीं आनी चाहिए. So these all are the parameters which are very simple you need to consider when you are selecting the transducer, and this is what about the selection criteria about the transducer. The question may be for 4 marks or 6 marks in the examination on this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks so much. Thank you.